He broke you and you still call it love? Let it sink in. If he lies to you and still expects your loyalty, he's not your man, he's your manipulator. Stop loving men who treat you like options. If he cheats on you and you stay just to prove you are the one, you are not winning, you are just settling for disrespect. If he puts his hands on you and you still let him lay next to you at night, that's not love, that's charm abandoned. If he makes you feel stupid for dreaming big, why are you sharing a life with someone who wants you small? If he isolates you, controls you, punishes you for having a voice, that's not a relationship. That's a slow, silent death of who you really are. And if your no makes him angry, imagine what your independence would do. Stop calling pain love. Stop confusing struggle with loyalty. You are not a rehab center for broken men. You are a whole human, not his lesson. Don't just walk away. Run and never look back unless it's to slam the door.